Oh, they're studying, bravo, boy. They're studying. That is all the issue I done here, yes? Like, all they missing is fucking bigger picture. I get break up, teeth missing, my ribs out of cage, my fucking finger dislocated, my mouth bust up. And all they're studying, bravo. I done, by the way. All that course, boy. I don't care who fucking don't like me, all that course.
Toppy boss. Jano, Jano. But God, you wait name there, you get out of jail still, you understand? And me glad you don't mix up with the rest of man them. You know that for a fact because I have been watching your career and I have been watching you. You know say you are fully nine, but you're kinda low key and you started off hot enough. But you kinda chill out now. Now, I'm just gonna say this. You have to curb your anger and your temperament because when it comes to family, sometimes we have to learn to talk it out, or even when it comes to friends. We can't quick to do anger and you have to look at the bigger picture because jealousy is a bitch, you know, and lots of people may be jealous of you, even in your own family, and do things to set you off and to get you caught up. Them dry you out, as Jamaicans would say. So my glad Toppy Boss get released, but Toppy Boss release and Johnny Bravo. When we see Johnny Bravo, he was there with him, I guess, throughout the whole ordeal and thing. And but what really dominates social media today is this comment that somebody made. Look at it. The person right here is talking about Johnny Bravo. The person say you was a whole clown, bro. You ain't even put up no money to get Toppy Boss out, but you sending out video to MYOB. I paid 2K USD, and where was all of y'all? You ain't called to say shit about where he was, but you wanna take video. That's some clown shit. I can't fucking stand you always in the center of nonsense. Where the fuck was you at when you was locked up though? I stayed quiet, but that was the clown ass shit right there. Posting on media like you got him out. Wow. Now, I did some research and that nasty talk is coming from a woman by the name of Culture, and apparently she is Toppy Boss manager, and it seems like she hates Johnny Bravo. Now I am gonna play Toppy Boss response to this young lady talking about Johnny Bravo on social media. Yo, straight bacchanal.
Bro, you on the ground, you know. You on the ground, you know. Don't study which what she had to say all that shine up thing on MIUB and you understand? Yeah, she pay for lawyer and thing, but for the time me being there, dog, I appreciate what men go on. They ain't gonna know, no. Yeah, they ain't gonna know what kind of strings you gonna talk to halls about you understand? They ain't know you gonna talk to this man to control the killers. They wouldn't know, bro. So you just had a fucking boy, don't even fight that with clear fighting right now. She don't know, right? She don't know that you know these killers, right? It isn't what a fucking. But you did a lot, boy, brother. But you saw you no holes there. She don't know dog. She on the ground too.
That was Toppy Boss, and he was apologizing to Johnny Bravo. A little birdie sent me the audio. I don't know where them get it from. You know what I'm saying? So, Toppy Boss, I think him feel a certain way because the young lady come on social media and this Johnny Bravo. He said that Johnny Bravo helped him and look out for him. Johnny Bravo knows certain big time people, and Johnny Bravo get him respect and him give back the respect. So as far as culture, I just think she's a little bit pre-focused with hate and them stuff there. If anything, them should have worked with Johnny Bravo. You see what I'm saying? Or we should be working together instead of this big hating. If she is Toppy manager, she should have been there when Toppy get out of jail and be in the video. You understand? Not when you see the video go to MYOB, then you're gonna come on social media and make some nasty comments. So, you know, like I said, let the man live, dog. Let Johnny live and let Toppy Boss breathe. And you take a breath of fresh air to culture because you're very angry. That's all me can say right now. Yeah, Toppy Boss free, and as some weird thing, you have to stay out of trouble for a year. If you get in trouble, I guess the charges are going to be activated. It's a family member thing. Him and a family member, close family member. The man them have to talk over things and do less fighting and more talking and negotiating. It don't look good. And Toppy Boss, to get a chance, stay low key and do what you have to do. That's all me can say. And put your manager in check, because this what she doing, it doesn't look good on her. Johnny Bravo, all me can say, keep up the good work, my lad. I don't know you, but guess what? You're doing some good work in Trinidad. I know you have a whole heap of hate and them things there, but you have to stand firm. You understand? So, that's all I have to say about this. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.